Good morning, Paul from PH Exterior Cleaning Services. So today we're doing this bungalow out in the countryside. This is the inner section, and you'll notice, although there's not lots of moss, the owners want to just really bring it up to scratch, ready for their years of relaxation. So this is this side here, as you can see. So we're actually just this is going to come up looking tremendously well. And there's areas around the property like this where we're going to remove all of the staining marks. And as you come around here, you've got this. Up there as well. Now as you can see, although there's a lot of black algae, and there's not a lot of moss, and that's that final section there. So not a lot of moss. So my colleague Leo, we're just setting everything up. He's actually going to move ahead of me with a tile scraper shaped to these tiles, a pan tile template, and he's going to remove any pieces of moss as we go, and then I'm going to move over it with a flat surface cleaner, and that way we won't have lots of mess at the end in terms of the tidying up to do. And then at the end we'll apply DDAC for the moss and black algae suppression. And there's Leo getting stuck in, the man. Where would I be without him? Well done, Leo. Right, so I'll take a couple of photos, we'll get stuck in, and then we'll show you the photos later on. I'm just going to tell you a little secret. Well, it may not be a secret because on my Instagram posts I always say it. I really love this job, and the reason I love it is that, yes, a roof clean can be hard work, whether it's a scrape or a flat surface clean, but at the end of it, when you've done it up and the householder comes out, if it's a particularly dirty job, so often the householder has stood there and just said, I've got a new roof. And I tell you what, for me, that is so fulfilling. Yes, it's nice to be paid for what you do, but I think I get more joy out of that, the kick that it gives me when they're overwhelmed. Anyway, that's my little secret. Okay, see you later. Hi everyone, Paul from PH Exterior Cleaning. Just finished this job that I showed you yesterday. So that's this section there. And then if you come round here, you'll be able to see that section there. And then if we go for a little walk, windows and frames are all cleaned. Gutters are all cleared, and then you can see all of that. And then the last bit, so yes, this was a big roof, bungalows always are generally, is that bit there. So that's all done. It's Friday, 11:15. I'll be packing up in a minute and go and have a look at some other roofs. Have a great weekend.